Okay, so we are going to warm up our hips today and work on just getting a little better hip mobility. It's going to help us move in and out of stances or C-step through our stances a little bit better. But this is a good way to warm up. So let's get right into it. I'll start with just going the legs over to the side, bring them up and over in a couple different directions. You're going to feel it in your hips, and you might feel it in your glutes a little bit as well. So we're just going to bring it up and over, just to kind of warm those up. And we'll hold the position and do basically like a reverse sit-up towards the leg. And again, this is gonna be hip, but you're also gonna feel it right there in the glute, which is gonna help kind of unlock that hip. So do some reps of that guy and feel it out. Same thing other side. Switch the legs over. Feel this one out. Good, just about 5 or 8 of them. You can just go slow through the motion so you can feel that. Feel that elongating. You might feel it in a different spot depending on where you're at. Then we want to do the same motion that we started with, but we're gonna go as wide as we can until this knee makes this knee come up. Same thing other side, we can do that back and forth. Widen them up. Good, just like that. Now we'll hold it down for this one. And open it up. Just a couple reps on that side. Get the hip going. And back to the other side. I'll hold this one down. Practice opening up those hips. So it's kind of the somewhat series for that seated area. We're gonna hold our body up and just practice bringing it up. Feel that stretch at the bottom, pushing up, feeling the stretch at the bottom. 6 to 8 reps on that side, or 5 to 7, whatever your number is. A lot of times I just like the number 7, so I'll do it 7 times. If I really want a good warm up, I'll do it 10, 15 times. I'm really gonna focus on it. I just want you guys to see each of these so you can try them. Good, 4, 5. Again, this should help open up and relax the hips. It's good to hold it on one side or go slow so you can feel it. Next one, you're gonna kind of sit your body a little bit forward and you're just gonna practice. Sometimes we'll use an object. You'll go up and over. Well, you're just gonna work that mobility, bring it up as high as you can and bring it over to the side, bring it back down. Again, 5 to 7. Then we're gonna switch it up. Same thing, other leg. Get this left leg going. I'm gonna bring it up and over. Both sides. I'm just trying to open up those hips a little bit. Work the flexibility and mobility. For the last one, I like to end on something bilateral, both sides, when I warm up with a stretch. So it's like I'm kicking 2 soccer balls right here and here. And you can just pull them up and just pulse that little up right there. 5 to 7. And then finish, put the forearms down. If your legs can go all the way flat on the ground, then you're more flexible than I am, and that's awesome. And just bounce it back and forth a little bit. You can push into the ground with the knees if you watch the hyperbolic video, and then relax them a little bit. And that should warm you up.